This video is of our 25K wrecker. It is a International 9400. Great truck, full sleeper. All the roofing, all the fabric, everything's in great shape. It needs to be cleaned a little bit because it hasn't been, but other than that, she cleans up real nice. Needs batteries. Okay, that's not a big deal. It needs an ECM, which is not a big deal. It costs about 800 bucks. We've already priced it. The engine itself has been rebuilt not even 200 hours ago. Okay, it's got driveline is completely redone. The tires are all new, all the way around. The winches are rebuilt up top there. We had those rebuilt. The boom cylinders are rebuilt. All of the hydraulic lines have been redone. Nice paint job on it would make her look real good, even though it's not too bad. Paint job's not that bad. It's got one little dent on the front bumper. When the ECM failed, we ended up getting it towed from Atlanta up to here. So other than that, she's been sitting, and we make sure that the engine spins over every month and keeps everything good. She's a great truck. If I had a good driver, we'd have her on the road. But seeing I don't, the first one to bring in cash takes it away.